right, we're at Sport Beach with Jonathan Adashek from IBM, Senior Vice President, Marketing Communications. How's the week going, Jonathan?
John, it's been an amazing week so far. It's only Wednesday, but covered a lot of ground, met with a lot of great people, and excited for the rest of the week. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, no, absolutely. Well, exciting things at IBM right now. Can you talk a little bit about the Let's Create platform and sort of where the company's going and your role sort of in taking the mission with the marketing?
Let's Create is all about, it's all about what we do as a business. We go co-create solutions for our clients and our partners to help overcome their biggest challenges and take advantage of their biggest opportunities. And foundationally, that really comes down to the fact right now that AI is so important for everybody. Yeah. And our goal is to be the leading hybrid cloud and AI platform company. And you can't have AI without good data, without the proper data structure. And our view is your data should be your secret sauce that unlocks your competitive advantage.
Interesting. Okay.
And that's going to live all over the company, and you got to be able to unlock that everywhere. And that's how we go create, because it continues to be your data. So we go co-create. Let's create things, great things together.
Interesting. I mean, Jonathan, what's interesting about, I think, that position too, and a lot of the data we see from the Harris poll on AI is, you know, there's a lot of respect for it, a lot of sort of concern over it, but it's very mechanical. And I think what you're talking about a little bit is sort of the human element in this too, right? How do you make AI work for you?
That's exactly what we're talking about. AI is going to help enable people. It's not going to completely replace everybody, but it's going to help people. It's going to help organizations better understand their opportunities. And it's about using your data, as I talked about before. And most companies don't use their data. Most companies use well less than 50% of their data. And if they're not using it, the data is not valuable. Yeah. It's only valuable when you get insights out of it. I think you know that better than anybody.
Well, I'll tell you, let's talk a little bit about AI and go a little bit deeper on trust, because IBM has a lot of trust in our latest Axios Harris Poll 100.
Love to hear that.
IBM's been holding like strong reputational trust like over 20 years. And what's interesting about it is IBM's trust is actually increasing over the last 5 years amid all this sort of volatility. So it's kind of curious, because I pulled some research this weekend, and it was interesting. We found that this is on the broad Americans, but less than half of Americans believe that AI is delivering on what tech companies and the media promised. And the other part of this is interesting, is that 53% of Americans say they trust the information they get from AI chat agents, but only 17% verify. So the other way to say that is over 4 in 10 don't verify the information, and 6 in 10, or roughly half, don't trust it. So feels like there's a big opportunity there. I know that's public data, not necessarily sort of B2B straight, but I mean, I think IBM has an amazing opportunity here.
You know, those are really interesting facts, and I think there's a huge opportunity for everybody who's doing AI right now. And I think a big part of this is that people are just getting started. Because, you know, John, today, 1% of enterprise data is in an AI model. Only 1% of enterprise data. No.
I didn't know that.
Only 1% of enterprise data. So if you think about that, that shows how far companies have to go to really get it deployed at a larger scale. That I think once you start doing that more and more, people will get more comfortable with it. I do think there are instances where people are dealing with AI and they don't even think about it being AI, or they don't know they're dealing with AI. When was the last time you used a navigation aid to get someplace?
Yeah, like right this morning.
So there was AI in there, right?
Really good point. Wow. So that's massive opportunity. 99% of the data is not there. Last question for you, my friend. Talk a little bit about sports partnerships. We're here at Sport Beach. I know it was at the cornerstone of what IBM does as well.
We are lucky that we've had 3 major sport partnerships for over 30 years. The Masters Golf Tournament, Wimbledon, and US Open Tennis. And they've been amazing partners and continue to be amazing partners. This year, we've also brought on partnerships with Ferrari on the Formula One side, and with UFC, helping with data, with their insights engine. And all of those partnerships, they're all about how do we help them engage their fans, how do we help them change the way people see their business or their tournament or their team. And and help engage with them more. If you look at something like Ferrari, they have 400 million tifosi, or fans around the world.
Wow.
And those 400 million
Yeah.
fans are craving for more information. And we're giving an updated app that gives them new insights from the data they have, but it also is much more engaging with them because it allows fans to vote in polls. It allows fans to message the team and the driver so that they can obviously
it's
not
interactive.
interactive, and obviously not every
Okay.
message is going to get replied to. But the thing is, we're doing this because it really helps. Besides helping those teams and the clubs and the organizations, it's helping us tell and show great stories and bring our technology to life in a way that we can't do in other places. And it brings our technology to life in a place where people are incredibly passionate about it. So it gives us these great opportunities to tell the story for what we're trying to do and engage our clients, engage our partners, engage future clients, and show them the power of our technology combined with amazing data and a great partner. It really unlocks a lot of opportunity for us.
Fascinating. Jonathan, thank you so much for your time this morning. This is Jonathan Adashek, CMO from IBM, CCO from IBM, here at Sport Beach. Thanks so much.
Thank you, John.